This 2025 Jayco Jay Flight 265th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Jayco is 30 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 4, water heater, air conditioning, stovetop burner, external shower, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, spare tire kit, oven, auxiliary battery, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Jayco Jay Flight 265th is 5,330 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.